So hello everyone and guys, welcome to the Recall Revise Rise series of current affairs where we are helping the aspirants of RBI Grade B and NABARD Grade A 2026 with some important MCQs revision. So this is day 4 of your government schemes guys. So let's begin with the session here. First is let's look at the homework question from day 3 where I have asked you a question on National Technical Textile Mission about the institutional mechanism here. The statements for the mission steering group is chaired by the Union Minister of Textile. The Power Program Committee is actually chaired by the Secretary, Ministry of Textile. Committee on Technical Textile, that is on R&D and Innovation, are chaired by the Vice Chairman of Niti Aayog. So which of the given statements is or are correct? Guys, the answer for that is option number A, 1 and 2 only. The reason being that because it is actually not Vice Chairman, it is actually the Science and Technology member of Niti Aayog who is actually chairing the Committee on Technical Textile. Let's look at today's question where we are discussing the PM Mitra scheme. So the first question is actually on 5F vision from which the PM Mitra parks are inspired. You have to let me know which of the following correctly represents the 5F value chain. That is, the options are in front of you. So guys, here the answer is going to be option number C, that is farm to fiber, fiber to factory, fashion and foreign. बहुत सिंपल चीज है कि फार्म से आप आओगे, उसको फाइबर बनाओगे, फाइबर को आप फैक्ट्री में लेके जाओगे, फिर आप उससे फैशन क्रिएट करोगे और फिर आप अल्टीमेटली वहां से एक्सपोर्ट जनरेट करने की कोशिश करोगे. अब आते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज ऑन कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस इंसेंटिव सपोर्ट. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. सो द क्वेश्चन इज कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स रिगार्डिंग कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस इंसेंटिव सपोर्ट अंडर पीएम मित्र स्कीम. It provides early establishment support for manufacturing units not availing the benefit of PLI scheme for textile. Incentives under CIS can be up to 3% of the total sales turnover. Units which invest 100 to 300 crore rupees are eligible for 10 crore per year with a maximum cap of 30 crore rupees. So what is going to be the answer here? 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 only, or 1, 2 and 3? Guys, the right answer is option number A, 1 and 2. The reason being that because if person is investing more than 300 crore rupees, then he is eligible for an incentive of 10 crore rupees with a maximum gap of 30 crore. If it is investing 100 to 300, then it is 5 crore. मैक्सिमम कितना है यहाँ पे 15 करोड़. और अगर आप एम्प्लॉय कर रहे हो 100 प्लस पर्सन तो फिर आपको 1 करोड़ मिलेगा विद अ मैक्सिमम अप टू 3 करोड़. ठीक है. सो दिस इज अबाउट कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस इंसेंटिव सपोर्ट. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द होमवर्क क्वेश्चन फॉर द डे, दैट इज एक्चुअली ऑन डेवलपमेंट कैपिटल सपोर्ट. सो यू हैव टू लेट मी नो which of the given statements are correct here. TCS is provided to the central government as a grant in aid to the park special purpose vehicle. Greenfield parks are capped at 500 crore, while brownfield parks are capped at 200 crore rupees. The tenure of support is limited to 10 years without any extension provision. So here are the statements 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 only, and 1, 2 and 3. Do let me know guys what will be the answer for that in the comment section. So thanks for watching this video guys. For more such videos, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Wishing you all the best guys. Bye bye.